So this trip we're doing a little bit of a Pilsner shootout with 4 random Pilsners. Some American, some European, some old world, some brand new. Just to check out the differences, the similarities. There's different interpretations on the style, as well as some classic examples, and see where we are. So stay tuned and watch each one of these videos and see what we thought of each one.
Doing a Czech beer. It's a Rebel. Obviously since 1333. That's an old beer. Yeah, it's 4.8% alcohol by volume. It's from, pardon me if I pronounce this wrong, Havlivok Broad, Czech Republic. So,
Yep, so it's not from Pilsen. We were wondering if it was or not.
Yeah, you're right.
Should be caramely, real light. I'm interested to see how much of a hop character this one has.
Mm-hmm.
Should be malty, smooth, kind of a dark golden color. Should have that old world continental Czech kind of yeast character to it. It's stated as more of a bohemian type Pilsner, so it's got some influences outside of the Czech, I guess, but I would expect it to be very traditional Czech, in style and flavor and everything. Made with Saaz hops, which you would imagine. I mean, all Pilsners from Czechoslovakia are made with noble varieties, but particularly Saaz. I mean, that's what makes it. That's what makes it a Pilsner. So this is no different. So it should have a little bit of that spicy Saaz kind of character to it, maybe a little bit of aroma, but again, I mean, Pilsners are not hoppy beers at all.
Right.
Let's give it a shot.
All right.
Good.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. See what the first Pilsner tastes like.
Yeah.
Not too harsh at all. Nice and smooth.
Very smooth.
It's like crisp right on the tongue there, too.
Yeah, it reminds me a little more of a Pilsner Urquell type yeast character. And you can definitely tell it's a good old world European beer.
Yeah.
For sure. Very caramely.
Yeah, very.
Not quite as much caramel as that one, though, that we had.
That was pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is great. So refreshing. Like, even out in the snow. Oh, it's fucking great. Like, obviously it's cold out here and it's snowy, and who thinks like, oh, a beer would be great, but this is fucking just refreshing as hell.
Yeah, it is.
It's wonderful. Like, it's, the cold sets in and then the flavor and...
Yeah, I agree. It's, not only is it just easy to drink.
Oh, yeah.
But it's got a hell of a flavor to it. I mean, I love that Pilsner flavor. European style Pilsners, it's just, it has that caramely, malty aspect to it, and not overly malty, right? But it lingers a little bit. Not really any hop character to it.
No, not really.
I don't get any hop nose at all either. It's just that kind of, I don't know, yeasty, caramely, malty sort of smell to it, which is really, I mean, that's the style of the Pilsner, right? It should be light, should be malty.
Yeah.
It's a real unique beer like that, to be so light and so clean and crisp and just like a solid, smooth, light flavor all the way through, but it's all malt.
Oh, yeah. This would go with any good hot food.
Yeah, it would.
I mean,
I'm thinking right now, since it's cold outside, and maybe it's just the way I'm thinking, but this would be killer with some like some garlic potato cream soup, or
I was thinking some soups
stuff
or
like that, or
chili
like
even.
some white bean chili with smoked chicken or something in it.
Yeah. Yep.
That'd be really good. And not that it would necessarily cut through a lot of really heavy stuff again. I mean, like we're saying with all the Pilsners, but it would go well with it.
Yeah.
And it would probably complement some flavors like that. I think it's strong enough and it's malty character that it would hold up to some things like garlic and a little bit of smoke and
Yeah.
some meats, you know, probably again chicken and things like
Well,
that.
yeah, and like heavily peppered stuff too.
It'd be good with
Go.
it would be good
So-
with peppered stuff or like some vegetable dishes and things
Yeah,
too, you
right?
know. Yeah.
Asparagus and shit. Like
Uh-huh.
some of the strong greens, it would go great with that.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just so malty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Pretty fucking
fantastic beer. I
Yep.
really like it.
Absolutely, I agree.
A nice little scene here for our morning beer.
Yep.
We knew it was finally going to snow on us, and it did.
Yep.
Which is nice.
Just
We're
woke
kinda
up
hoping
and
for it.
reviewing breakfast right now. So.
Yep, absolutely. Yeah, you might even be able to have this with some breakfast stuff. Maybe some maple French toast and some bacon, and
Yeah. Nice fucking omelet.
it'd be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Omelet with some tomatoes and vegetables and some good smoked ham or some prosciutto or something in there.
Oh yeah.
That'd be really good.
Even like bell peppers and shit.
Absolutely.
Fuck.
Yep.
This would complement
Yep.
that too.
A little bit of sweet sausage or something, maybe.
Yeah. Oh
Pretty
yeah.
good. A little sage and some sweetness. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. Here's to
It's
the
a good-
rebel. Here's
Yep.
to the Czechs who know how to do it.
Yeah.
I mean, for sure.
Crazy.
Mm-hmm.
1333. That's
Yeah.
that's
Seriously.
awesome.